chocolate mud cake. Egg, butter, flour, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, milk, sugar, salt, baking powder. Now first of all, crack an egg. Break! Yay, I did it. Throw the shell in the bin. Transfer egg into a mug, then add milk, flour, cocoa powder. Oh, it's all over my apron, but no worries. Add butter, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix it until it's combined. In the end, my most favorite chocolate chips. Keep stirring, stir. Keep it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's run till it's ready.
Yummy!